Hey, Dr. Haig. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and I want to thank you for accepting this video. We came across your ad on Facebook and decided to check out your website and see if we could give you some tips to help bring in those new patients. So, we're going to give you just a few tips that you guys can apply right away. That's really going to help with your online presence and getting more patients in the door. Nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic and bring in those new patients rather than having to give away the farm in some ads on Facebook. So as you can see, we're on your website. Your business card and your Facebook page have different websites that all reroute you to this website, which is fine. This website looks really nice. Let's see. So it looks like you got a lot of separate pages. I'm assuming these are different services, which is good. You definitely want a separate page for every type of treatment or service you guys offer, with content built around the local keywords. Let's see. A little bit of content here. I'm not seeing a whole lot for local keywords. Okay. This would be really good if these actually link to some of your service pages. Interlinking is really good for your SEO purposes. Blog articles are good when they're done correctly. It looks like you have two different locations. I didn't look. Hopefully you have two separate location pages so you can go after the local keywords in each area. So your website does look really nice. Unfortunately, Google doesn't rank your website based on appearance. It is all based on content, and content is going to be the key to ranking. So Google wants your website homepage to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, and that needs to be focused on your local buyer intent keyword of the patients that are looking for your services. They may not know the name of your name or your practice, but they know the pain or the service that they need or they're trying to get treated for, and that's what it needs to be focused around. Your homepage should really be like a summary of the different type of services you offer with the keywords related to that. And then each of these pages should have their own unique content and local keywords so you can be found for these type of services in Melbourne. Google has little robots that are called crawlers that crawl all of these pages, pulling your content and keywords so they can rank you for them and put you in front of the patients that are actively searching for your service. Your top organic competitor in Melbourne is Christie Chiropractic. They have a nice looking website as well. Let's see. Looks like they have separate pages for their services. Let's see what else. They have interlinking pages, which is good. They're going after the local buyer intent keywords. It looks like they have a lot more content than you guys do. So you guys will definitely have to have more content than they do. The rule of thumb is whatever your competitors are doing, you're going to need to do more of. So in order to outrank her, You're definitely going to have to work on your content and keyword strategy and make sure that you have more content, not just on your homepage, but throughout your website than your competition. And then you're going to need to support that with SEO, because the website alone is not enough to be found online and capture those 70% of organics that you could be capturing. Looking here, you have a rating of a 0.1 out of 100 for your website as a whole in Google's trust flow, which means Google doesn't really trust your website, and that's 100% based on your referring domains and backlinks. A referring domain is any website that will provide your website with a backlink, and the backlink is the physical link coming from that referring domain. Not all are created equal, so you do need to make sure you're going after authoritative ones, which are directly related to your business, and that they are do follows. Do follows will share the power of high ranking sites and help you to rank. And Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So if we look here, you have 22 do follows, which means only 22 of these links are doing anything remotely to help your website. You have been indexed for 71 keywords, but you're only getting 11 people to your website, so you're missing out on a ton of potential new patients. Now, if we look at your keywords, you only have 3, well, technically 1, but on 3 different pages, keywords. So this is you. Let's see. What do we have here? So you got a lot more in potential traffic by going after those local buyer intent keywords. You want to try and stay away from national keywords, because anybody in the country can land on your website. And so those are not going to convert into new patients for you. So you definitely want to focus on the local buyer intent keywords, like this New Haven chiropractors. 250 potential that could be on your site. So you have a lot of potential here to drive in new patients. You just have to work on your content and keyword strategy, and then support these keywords with your backlinks so that you can rank them on the first page of Google. If we look at your competitor, she only has a rating of a 6 with 76 backlinks and 23 referring domains. So that just goes to show you that not all are created equal. She has less backlinks and a stronger score. 10 of those are do follows. So you only have to beat 10 of her referring domains in quantity as well as quality. But she has been indexed for over 200 keywords, and they are getting over 200 people to their website per month. So again, that just shows you that her website is more optimized, so she's able to capture more traffic. And then the last piece of the puzzle is really this Google Maps section, and you're doing a great job here. It is a competitive spot, and it's very easy to lose that top 3. If that happens, there's several factors that go into ranking here, but the most important is your citations, and that's going to be the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories. Now, if you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all your services in your service area using those important keywords supported by SEO. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it helpful and would love to get your feedback on it. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.